Jay, now that you have learned all about busing and taking beverage order, let me show you how to set the table today.
Thank you Aditi. If you have not yet seen the video about busing, I will put the link at the end of this video. So keep watching. And by the way, if you are new here, this channel is produced by clarifiedbetter.com. We help hoteliers train their team and this channel is all about learning. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon.
When your guests enter a restaurant and see that the tables are set, it makes a good first impression. While eating, what all would you need?
A knife, fork, plate for food.
You are correct. In addition, you will also need to place a napkin, glassware for beverages and salt and pepper cruet. Why don't you bring the crockery, cutlery and glassware and I will help you set up a table.
Okay, be right back.
Okay, now that you have the required items, let's place the items on the table. Start with the center appointment.
What is a center appointment?
Items like the bud vase, salt and pepper shaker, things that go on the center of the table.
Okay, I have done that. What next?
Then place the knife and fork. Knife on right, fork on left. And then keep the glass above the knife. Keep the B&B plate on the left of the fork.
What is a B&B plate?
Don't worry if you do not know the plate terms and sizes. I will tell you all about it in another video. Just remember, B&B plate is the smallest plate in the restaurant. Now place the napkin. Some restaurants place the napkin on top of the B&B plate. Some in the center like how we have placed. That's it. That is how you set the table. Now set the other covers as well.
Thank you Aditi for making it simple for me to learn.
If you want to see more videos like this that can help you in your daily work in the hotel, do subscribe to this channel.
Also don't forget to visit clarifiedbetter.com and enroll in some more courses. Oh and by the way, here is the video on busing and taking beverage orders. Go on and watch them as well. See you in the next video.